Hey, so in this quick video, I just want to talk to you guys out there real quick. I talk to a lot of people on a day-to-day basis, and I talk to a lot of people that's leased on the trucking companies, and they always say that they are owner-operators. You're not a true owner-operator if you're leased onto a trucking company, so that's what I tell them. And hey, I'm just gonna make a video and tell the world today, especially you guys in the trucking industry. You guys who are leased onto a trucking company, you guys are not true owner operators. A true owner operator is someone that is the owner of their own operation. And I'm talking about at the end of the year, you should be getting a lot of these right here. 1099s from freight brokerages or shipping companies or manufacturers that you have hauled loads for. You know, so some of you guys out there that's owner operators, you're just getting one 1099, and that's probably from just the company that you're leased on to. So you are not a true owner operator. Most 9-to-5 workers get one W-2, and that's from their job. So you are the same. So watch this video and I'm gonna break it down to you guys. But also I want to inspire you guys out there to become owner operators. So this video is not to talk down on owner operators that's leased on the trucking companies. So 1099s, multiple 1099s from freight brokerages. First one, Tennessee Steel Haulers. Hey, that's the one I'm always telling you guys about. Then I got Tennessee Steel Haulers, Pittsburgh Logistics, something else over there, Transport Logistics. Got one from TAFS, since they pay me, since affiliate marketing. Jaro, just a few. So you guys have to start getting 1099s out there, especially owner operators. That means you're doing business out here, providing a service. You know what I'm saying? So check this content out for me. Woo! Feeling good, feeling great. Here about to go for this run, man. You know, I always got to tell y'all that. You know, just a little bit of motivation, inspiration for the moment and for the morning. So, hey, I just want to talk to you guys out there real quick and tell you guys, man. Hey, a lot of you guys throw around this word, owner operator. Hey, man. Some of you guys out here are calling yourself owner operators, but you're not really an owner operator. So I just want to break it down into this video real quick and tell you guys why I feel you guys are not owner operators. And I'm talking about you guys who are leased on to companies. So if you're leased on to a company, in my world, you are not an owner operator. You're still an employee. That's what you are. You might have some equipment. You might have a truck and a trailer, but you're still an employee. So I always ask people this question when they're leased on to companies. How much does that company charge you to lease on to their company? And I'm telling you guys out here, especially you guys who are running semi-trucks, some of you guys are paying 35% to lease on to a company. That is absurd. You are almost at 50% of what you make, just giving it away. So you are not an owner operator if you're leased onto a company. Owner operators are owners of their own operation. That's what it means. Owner operator. Not lease on to a trucking company and then pay that trucking company 35%. Some of you guys out there right now watching this video is leased on to Landstar or some people like that. And then Landstar charges you 35%. That is ridiculous. you are giving Landstar for every $10,000 you make, you're giving Landstar $3,500. That is absurd to me. So you're just an employee, you know? So that's why I tell you guys, go get your own authority. Become a true owner-operator. You know, stop depending on other people out here. So also think about this out here, guys. When it comes down to it, for you to be an owner-operator, but you're leased onto a company, it's like paying that company royalties. Or it's like being a business owner and you're giving up your publishing, whether you're an author, a rapper, or a singer. You know, don't give away your publishing. It's just some business 101 right now. So I'm about to go ahead and run, get some good PT, physical training going on this morning. Hey, I got some more. I'll resume this content here shortly. Let's get back to it out here. So, man, I had to come out of that undershirt. One thing about Florida, it kind of is cool in the morning, but 30 minutes later, man, sure get hot. So I'm about to get back to it. I'm warmed up. So, hey, let's roll back off into this content on why you guys that are leased on to companies, you guys are not owner-operators, so stop calling yourself an owner-operator. I'm gonna tell you guys what a real owner-operator is. A real owner-operator at the end of the year will get a lot of 1099s from different freight brokers, especially if you guys are running on a load board or if you just already have relationships built with freight brokerages out here. So if you are leased on to a company, you guys will probably just get one 1099 at the end of the year. And that's coming from the company that you're leased on to, because that is who is paying you. So it's just like getting one W-2 back at the end of the year from your job. So you guys are just employees. And the only reason why I'm telling you is this is because I want you guys to be true owner-operators. I want you guys to go get your authority. You know, I want you guys to be in full control of your business out here. So pretty much that's why I tell you guys, you know, you guys got to become independent. At the end of the year, you should be getting multiple 1099s. I can guarantee any true business owner in this world, and I'm talking about a true business owner, which can be a true owner-operator, you guys will get multiple 1099s back. Because, especially if you're providing a service, you're just not going to provide a service for one person. It's going to be for multiple people. So you should be hauling for multiple brokerages, multiple shipping companies, multiple manufacturers if you guys have direct shippers. So, like I say, right there, we're gonna determine who is a true owner-operator at the end of the year. If you get one 1099 from the company that you're leased on to, you're not a true owner-operator. So stop calling yourself an owner-operator. You are in control of your equipment, and it's like any other job. You could leave when you want. You could quit when you want. But trust me, that lease-on company won't miss you. You know, they'll just replace you. And that's it, pretty much. That's just how the game goes. So, I'm at my spot. And I'm about to go do some strength training. We're gonna get back on that cardio. And I'll resume this content after that. Hey, so I just want to end this content today, man, by telling you guys out there, you know, I mean, I know you got to start somewhere. So I'm not talking down on you guys out there that's leased on to a company. The only thing that I want to do is inspire you guys out there. One thing about Manny's Movement LLC channel is that I'm encouraging and inspiring and also molding entrepreneurs. You know, I know the importance of it. I know how confined you are working that 9-to-5 job. And even if you're leased onto a company, you're still confined. Most of you guys are not even dispatching yourself when you're leased onto that company. So that's the only thing that I'm trying to do on my channel is inspire, you know, people who aspire to be business owners and entrepreneurs. Because I know all about it. I know all about working that 9-to-5 job. You know, I know all about how they limited my creative ability for me to go out and do things because I was so consumed with what they wanted me to do. So that's why I put this video out today too, is to also tell you guys, you know, if you're leased onto a company, you're not an owner-operator. And that's perfectly fine right now. Figure out how you're going to be a true owner-operator. And you got to remember too, these videos are just my opinions, but they're facts in my world because I live in my own world. You know, I don't live in this controlled world, you guys. I'm just a body here. But mentally, I'm not in this world, you know? So hopefully this video was just to help you guys out there. You know, keep you guys inspired, keep you guys motivated. If you guys are looking to get into the trucking industry, this is the channel that you need to be watching because I done been through it. It don't take you that long to learn. You know, some of you guys out here that's old school truckers, you guys are becoming obsolete in this industry because you're not trying to evolve. So you're just going to become someone who is either going to keep complaining about the industry, or you're going to become a person who is going to get out the business, or you want to become the person who is going to evolve into this business. Evolution is key out here. So 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Trans Am Financial Services, if you guys are looking for a factoring service. Also, if you have any questions, hit me on my email, broker@mannystrans.com. I got a backlog of emails right now, and I'm trying my best on a day-to-day basis to reply to you guys. I'm doing all of the replying when you guys sign up for mentorship and 10 to 15 minute Q&A calls. You are really talking to me. So I'm doing everything additionally to me running my business. So it's all about multitasking out there. If you want it, go get it. Put it on your plate and eat it up. Broker@mannystrans.com. www.extraordinarymovement.com. Please go visit my website. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and my other YouTube channel, Brandon Manny the Mentor. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.